Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the latest updates from Canva, the go-to design platform for millions of users worldwide. Canva has just rolled out a suite of new AI-powered tools, including Dreamlab, aimed at transforming how professionals create and collaborate at work. Canva recently hit a huge milestone, 200 million monthly active users. Alongside this, they've launched Dreamlab, a brand new generative AI tool. Powered by Leonardo AI's advanced Phoenix model, Dreamlab transforms text descriptions into stunning images across more than 15 styles, like 3D renders and illustrations. This tool is integrated with Canva's Magic Studio, and it's designed to help teams across industries unlock creativity, design with precision, and enhance workplace productivity. So what exactly can Dreamlab do? It allows you to input text descriptions and get visually rich outputs that can be used for anything from marketing assets to storyboards. You can even reference your existing images for more accurate designs. Canva's Dreamlab also comes with Canva Shield, ensuring responsible AI usage, and taps into Canva's massive content library, offering endless creative options for designers, entrepreneurs, and educators alike. In addition to Dreamlab, Canva has updated its visual suite with powerful new features for whiteboards, websites, docs, presentations, and videos. Since the launch of Canva Create 2 years ago, users have created billions of designs, 2.5 billion presentations, 1.5 billion videos, and even 80 million websites. Canva whiteboards, in particular, have become a breakout success, with their usage doubling in the last year. Let's talk about some of the key new features. Whiteboards now come with AI-powered sorting, real-time interactive voting through reaction stickies, and new summarization features. Magic Write, Canva's text generation tool, has received upgrades like enhanced contextual generation and one-click refinements. For videos, Canva has added advanced animation and auto-generated captions. Presentations now include new chart types, page numbers, and animations for improved data storytelling with expanded options like area and statistical charts. Canva's growth has been nothing short of phenomenal. Over 30 billion designs have been created to date, with users generating 300 new designs every second. They've seen a massive spike in AI usage, recording over 10 billion AI-assisted actions. With users from 190 countries, Canva continues to redefine how professionals collaborate and create. These updates from Canva are set to revolutionize workplace design and productivity. What's your take on Canva's new AI tools? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech and design updates. Thanks for watching.